Companies are always searching for tools and strategies that can give them a sustainable advantage. One such invaluable tool for understanding and optimizing your business operations is Michael Porter's value chain. Developed by renowned Harvard Business School professor Michael Porter, the value chain framework has proven to be a powerful instrument for driving business growth. In this video, we will explore the concept of Porter's value chain and how it can be used to unlock the potential for business expansion and success. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon before we start. Understanding the value chain. The value chain concept, introduced by Porter in his 1985 book, Competitive Advantage, Creating and Sustaining Superior Performance, breaks down a business's activities into two types of activities. These activities are categorized as either primary or support activities in relation to the production and delivery of goods and services. Primary activities. These activities are integral to the creation and delivery of a product or service within Porter's value chain framework. These encompass inbound logistics, where efficient management of raw materials brings cost savings and timely deliveries. Operations involve the transformation of raw materials into final products, promoting quality, efficiency, and cost reduction. Outbound logistics handles product distribution to customers, ensuring on-time delivery and product quality. Marketing and sales are vital for creating demand and fostering market share gains and customer loyalty. Service activities maintain and enhance product value post-sale, with high-quality service boosting customer satisfaction and loyalty. These elements collectively drive business growth within the value chain. Support activities. These activities might not directly participate in production, but significantly enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of primary activities. Legal, financial, and quality administration are all components of the firm infrastructure. An effective foundational support system for other functions is a robust infrastructure which guarantees seamless operations. Human resource management involves recruiting, training, development, and compensation. Technology development encompasses research, development, and technology solutions to support primary and secondary operations. Procurement deals with acquiring raw materials and essential inputs. Efficient procurement yields cost advantages and ensures input quality and timeliness. These support activities are integral to Porter's value chain, contributing to business growth and competitive advantage. Creating a competitive advantage with the value chain. Understanding and optimizing the value chain is a strategic approach that can substantially contribute to creating a competitive advantage for businesses in many ways. By thoroughly examining every element of the value chain, an organization gains the ability to detect and address inefficiencies. This may result in the adoption of cost reduction strategies, enabling the organization to provide its services or products at a more competitive price, attract cost-conscious customers, or maintain higher profit margins. It can also provide a differentiation advantage. By conducting a value chain analysis, an organization can identify precise domains in which it can introduce distinctive value. This differentiation can take various forms, such as superior product features, more effective marketing strategies, exceptional after-sales services, or other innovative approaches. This uniqueness can command premium pricing and foster deep customer loyalty, setting the business apart from competitors. The value chain's true strength resides in its capacity to visually represent the interrelation of various activities. By enhancing the interplay between these activities, companies can create a domino effect, where improvements in one area led to a chain reaction of benefits in another. This means that investments in one area can positively impact multiple facets of the business, creating a holistic and interconnected approach to business growth. Application of the value chain in a business context. When businesses study their value chain, they can benchmark against competitors. Comparing their value chain with that of competitors allows businesses to identify their relative strengths and weaknesses. This insight informs strategic decisions, helping them decide where to invest resources or how to restructure operations. Furthermore, analyzing the value chain empowers businesses to make informed decisions. Understanding which segments of the value chain are most profitable enables them to allocate resources more effectively. For example, If after-sales service proves to be a significant value driver, increasing investment in that segment can be highly beneficial. Another advantage of value chain analysis is the betterment of relationships with suppliers and customers. Businesses can improve their supplier and customer relationships through the acquisition of knowledge regarding the inbound and outbound logistics elements of the value chain. Ultimately, this results in increased customer satisfaction, cost savings, and enhanced collaboration. Additionally, by focusing on research and development within this segment, businesses can introduce new products, refine existing offerings, or even overhaul their operations to gain a competitive edge. In a rapidly changing business landscape, innovation driven by the value chain's technology component is often the key to sustained growth and competitiveness. In short, Porter's value chain is a practical tool for businesses to optimize operations, make informed decisions, and secure their position in a competitive market. Hope you enjoyed the video, so do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.